Hi, this is Dimitri. I'm with the Dimitri team, and we do real estate here in South Florida. And I want to talk to you a minute about home inspections. So when you buy a property, you're going to want to do an inspection so that you cover at least knowing from a third party how good the roof is. You know, somebody's going to get up on the roof, walk it, take pictures, and tell you how good the AC system is. They're going to look at electrical stuff. They're going to look at structure of the building itself. They're going to give you a lot of ideas of what's good, bad, or things that you need to think about in your home that you just purchased. Now, let's take a quick look at the contract. So in the contract, you always have a section that says property inspection, right to cancel. Now, what that means is that you have X number of days from the date that you signed it. You signed it on the 10th. This one here says 10 days. Default is 15. You fill out the blank, then that's the number that you're at. So you got 10 days. You sign on the 10th. You got until the 20th to decide, are you moving forward? Now, if you read the language, it says you have that many days after effective within a period in which the inspection of the property at the buyer's discretion during that period. If buyer determines in buyer's sole discretion, meaning your opinion, no one else's, that the property is not acceptable to you, the buyer, then you may terminate this contract simply by delivering written notice. All right? You deliver written notice within that time frame, you get your escrow money back. All right. Next thing, you want to have a home inspector. Now, you could have one individual home inspector look at it all. You could actually hire a roofer to look at the roof, a plumber at the plumbing, an electrician to look at the electrical. It may cost more money, but you could get a little more in depth, or you can have the individual home inspector do that. If you have that, we happen to use a person like Josh, for instance. So JDL Home Inspections, he does a very thorough job. I got about 5 different guys that we've used, so any one of them are good. Certainly can give you a thing. But what they do is they go take a look at the house, and they look at everything within the house, whether it's the roof, the AC, sliding glass doors. In this case, they looked at the front door. It had a little rod area in it that needed to be fixed. Sliding glass door needed a roller on it. But at the end of the thing, you got all the detail and everything else, and at the end, there's always a summary. Let's see, here we go. There's always a summary that you can go through and go, all right, well, here's all the things, and then you can see, is there anything I need to be alarmed by, or are these just kind of routine maintenance things that we can get fixed? And then based on your own discretion, you get to decide whether you move forward or not with the with the purchase of the property. All right, well, I hope this explanation of home inspection helped you a little bit, and we look forward to working with you soon. Hope you have a terrific day. Bye.